Hello everyone, welcome to a quick little another update video right here at Universal's Islands of Adventure for another Jurassic Coaster update. I'm wearing the ugliest mask that I could find at home because my other one is dirty, but that's not going to stop me from having a little fun today. Let's get right on into it. The new Forbidden Journey lockers are looking snazzy. Definitely will be an improvement over what the current locker situation is like.
Or look happily surprised, that works too. Are we going to get a selfie as well? And angle it upwards. Right like this, sir. You got it? Alright. You guys did so good. Tell Blue thank you. Great job, folks. Are you waiting on someone? No? Okay, come on over. Put you on that blue line. And we got the adults on the outside. Let's keep the younger one in the middle. And first, we're going to take a photo with our camera.
Okay, so I was going to come out here the other day to show you guys the new Jurassic Coaster construction. By the time I was passing by Bishop the Olive, they weren't open yet back here. But let's take a look. So you can see what I was talking about the other day in my vlog here just a couple days ago, the S-bend right up here, about how it's the only piece that has not been installed in the entire ride because they have to move in and out construction equipment. So, I mean, it's anybody's guess when they'll install it, but right now it seems like they're moving in a lot of the framing for the rock work and the first show scene and the load and unload station. So they're still moving in and out. Those about every week I see new pieces arrive. But once all that is, all the construction has been moved in to the property, they will move into finishing off that last piece of the ride track. I'm out here behind the Captain America Cafe, where I've actually never been back here before. Wow, but let me try to get out of the way. You can see the Jurassic Coaster back there, and the Incredible Hulk right up there. Not sure it's a very peaceful place to sit and eat because the Hulk and soon the Jurassic Coaster, which the Hulk is already a very loud coaster. A very intense B&M sit-down coaster, which they don't really make too many of these days, so nice that we still have the Hulk. I think the Velocicoaster being built by Intamin is going to be a much smoother ride, just like Hagrid. The adventure lives on, and so does it on this channel. So if you like what we do here, be sure to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Leave this video with a big thumbs up if you want to see more just like it, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.